Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning into this channel. I hope that you are home and you are safe at home, guys. So tell me, how do you deal with the heartbreak, guys? The local actress Nomzamo Mbatha has deactivated her Twitter account after a clip from Q&A Instagram Live went viral. During the Instagram Live over the long weekend, the Coming to America star was asked by one of her fans how to deal with a heartbreak, or how does she deal with a heartbreak. She kept on laughing, and her fan concluded she's still in love with her ex-boyfriend. Check the video below and share your thought, guys, on the comment section. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.
Okay, we are strong. We are moving. What do you mean? This is tough. Okay. Ooh, what's a heartbreak? Is it I think it might be, is it the name of a street? Is it a mall? Oh, what is it? Word. I don't know. I think heartbreak is the name of a mall or a shopping center. I've never been, but if you guys have been to heartbreak, please let me know.